Man, praise the Lord. This is the last message, no? Kami ang message 6, no? Ang title concerning the triune God dispensing in the ministry of John. Praise the Lord. There is the triune God dispensing. Why is God triune? God is triune to dispense Himself into us. He is the Father, the Son, and the Spirit. For what? For the dispensing. Praise the Lord. The ministry of the Word is God dispensing for the fulfillment of God's economy. We are very familiar with this word, dispensing. No, familiar kay naton in word na pagpaambit. Pero ingon natong speaker nga how sure or how much we send it. Unsa ba kadako ang ato nakita ning word nga pagpaambit. Dayon ingon pugid siya how much we are truly impressed it. No, unsa ba atong pagka-impress aning word nga pagpaambit. Every meeting, every word, every meeting, every conference nga atong atinan, we should impress the word dispensing. The word dispensing is this is the supply of us, the triune God dispensing into us. Then ingon siya, how much govern in our daily living. Mag-govern ang tanis sa ato ang pagkinabuhi matagadlaw. There is the word dispensing. Dayon ang Ginoo. Dayon ingon siya, ingon ang atong speaker nga we need to realize that the triune God is fully concerned with the dispensing of the divine life into His chosen people. Dayon ang Ginoo. He is triune for His dispensing. Dayon siya, He went through a process for His dispensing in the Gospel of John. Muna in the ministry of John, it is called mending ministry. Gamay lang. Mending ministry, i-apply ni John. Ingon siya, sa pasahod sa Luke, ingon si John, sa dihang nagsangyaw sila, padala na ito nagkalayo. Dahil sa Mark, nagkitawag siya, Son of Thunder. Pero sa Revelation 1:9, ingon si John, your brother, a fellow partakers of that revelation. Nausap na siya. Because of the dispensing. Munang mending, it speak, gipix niyang broken. Munang die completing ministry full, but there is the mending ministry of John. No, doon ay pagtapak. Day by day, the Lord dispensing us. Kitapakan ta. Niya, ingon pag idini. Gamay na lang. Mending ministry. It is the healing of the churches. Dahil ko na Ginoo.